In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. This is how the mesh looks like, and I have only used a plane. The idea is to subdivide the mesh multiple times, and extrude randomly selected edges. After that, we would apply two separate materials to give a wondrous illusion. Let's create a plane. Go to Edit Mode, right-click and type S to subdivide it 50 times. Type 2 to Edge Select. Select the edges randomly, and type E to extrude upward. After that, we would need to create two materials, and apply them randomly onto the mesh. Type 3 to Face Select, and randomly select the faces to apply two distinctive materials. This will give us that wondrous look once we apply the sky texture and use the cycles renderer. I'll show you the material, sky texture, and composite node details next. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.